Thanks for joining us. We now have a third COVID variant to worry about in Wisconsin. The state confirmed the first case of it today. As Madeline O'Neill can tell us, they're keeping a close eye on the other two variants found in our state as well. Maddie?
Well, we're seeing spikes in other states, including Florida and our neighbors, Michigan and Minnesota. Health officials are asking we do all we can to keep them from spreading here. A year ago, the pandemic turned our lives upside down.
It is really tiring. It's a lot.
Now the coronavirus is flipping the script in the form of variants.
So we know that B117 in particular is more transmissible.
That's the strain that started in the UK.
There are some concerns it could have a slightly increased lethality as well.
The Wisconsin Department of Health Services data tracker shows 78 UK variant cases identified, 2 South African variant cases, and as of Friday, the first case of the Brazil variant.
We are watching the number of cases very, very closely.
The actual numbers of the variant cases are likely much higher. Wisconsin only sequences a small percent of positive test samples. In Dane County, that's about 5%.
That is more than most other places in Wisconsin.
Fewer than 20 cases in Dane County have been identified as variant strains, estimated to make up anywhere between 1 to 24% of cases, though it's tough to get a precise range.
I think it will continue to increase as long as we're still having COVID here.
That means we have to keep modifying what we do, including foregoing travel for the second spring in a row, if we can help it.
Because we don't want to be bringing variants into Wisconsin that could spread to other folks when you come back.
Because not enough people have gotten the vaccine yet.
The vaccines do provide still great protection.
We don't know how effective vaccines will be against the variants, but health officials tell me they'll likely provide good protection still, especially in severe cases. Now, we know variants will play a role in how soon Dane County officials decide to loosen restrictions, potentially upping the threshold for herd immunity here in our county.
All right, Maddie, thank you.